Okay. Good evening, students. Today class 9th, third video is there. From chapter 8, motion. The topic is velocity time graphs and related numerical questions. This topic is very important for the examinations of yearly annuals. 5 marks questions always comes. That's why I have mentioned these 2 questions and 1 graph. One more graph, third graph is there. About first graph, you can see from the board, there is velocity time graph, and this graph parallel to time axis. You can see here, the time axis parallel to this graph AB line is going, and the question is, from this graph, what is the graph source? ग्राफ क्या शो कर रहा है? दिस ग्राफ विच इज पैरेलल टू टाइम एक्सिस shows uniform velocity. Uniform velocity. You can see from the graph that the body is parallel to x-axis, means its velocity is everywhere 6 meters per second from A to B and all points into the graph, this line AB. The velocity not changes. Velocity is constant. Then you can say that this graph shows the uniform velocity. You know, the uniform velocity having any acceleration or not. The definition of acceleration is rate of change of velocity. If you want to find the acceleration of body from A to B, you will write the V minus U by T. V at point B, V is 6 meters per second, and at A, U is 6 meters per second. And time you can say that 4 minus 1, 3. 6 minus 6 by how much time is there? No problem. The acceleration will be always 0. Because the rate of change of velocity is 0. So change of velocity is 0. Then when you divide any time to 0, the answer will be always 0. That's why the graph which is parallel to time axis, velocity time graph which is parallel to time axis, shows the 0 velocity and uniform velocity and 0 acceleration. Okay? From the graph second, question is written adjoining this figure. The first question is find acceleration and retardation from graph, and second question is find total distance covered. Very important question. See, the acceleration and retardation from the graph. Students, see in graph from A to B, that is the acceleration, because the rate of change of velocity is increasing, and from B to C, no change in velocity, so there will be 0 acceleration. From C to D, velocity is decreasing and ultimately it becomes 0. That's why the rate of change of velocity is negative. Hence, it is retardation. You have to find acceleration and retardation, AB and CD. The value of AB and CD we have to find out. So see the solution. Answer from solution for graph first, graph second, solution. ध्यान से देखिए, ये ग्राफ सेकंड का सॉल्यूशन क्या बता रहा है? ग्राफ सेकंड जो है वो बता रहा है कि ये 0 से स्टार्ट करता है मोशन, 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड का स्पीड वो फाइंड कर लेता है 2 सेकेंड में, और 2 से 4 सेकेंड तक उसकी वेलोसिटी चेंज नहीं होती है, यूनिफॉर्म रहती है। फिर C से D तक उसकी वेलोसिटी डिक्रीज होती है। तो वो जो है एक्सीलरेशन शो करता है, और CD रिटार्डेशन। केवल आपको फाइंड करना है एक्सीलरेशन एंड रिटार्डेशन फ्रॉम द ग्राफ। सो आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ OA, not AB points shows acceleration of what? Okay, and we have to find the acceleration value also. That's why the acceleration A is equal to B minus E by T. B is C from the graph. It starts motion from A and reaches to B, increasing velocity. B at point B, the velocity becomes 10 meter per second. V value is 10 meter per second, and U value is 0. So you can write here 10 minus 0 upon time taken is from 0 to 2 seconds, that is 2. Then write it 10 by 2 is equal to 5 meter per second acceleration. And also we have to find out the retardation. आप सेकंड मैं क्वेश्चन बना रहा हूँ। फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन है, सेकंड सॉल्यूशन देखिए। फाइंड द डिस्टेंस, टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड मीन्स ए से बी तक पहुंचने में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया। इसमें आप ध्यान देंगे, जब भी वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ में आपको डिस्टेंस पूछा जाता है तो मैंने डेरिवेशन में भी बताया था कि डिस्टेंस कवर्ड के लिए आप एरिया ऑफ इनक्लोज्ड ग्राफ फाइंड करेंगे। ऑलवेज माइंड इट एंड लर्न दैट टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड फ्रॉम वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ वी हैव टू फाइंड area enclosed of the graph. That will be the distance covered. You can see this shape is looking trapezium shape. To find the OABCD, the ABCD area, we have to find the area of trapezium ABCD. That will be the distance covered. Distance covered, I am going to write distance covered is equal to area of trapezium, ABCD, okay. Now, what is the area of ABCD? See, you know the area of trapezium, that is the 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides into height. I am writing 1 by 2 sum of parallel side. Where is parallel side from this trapezium ABCD? See, BC and AD are the parallel side. The value of BC is how much? 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 means 2. 2. This BC value is 2 only, and AD value is 5. 2 plus 5. Sum of parallel side into height. Height, see, height from this is the height. This height is 10, 0 to 10. That is the 10. That is 7 into 5. 35 meter. 35 meter distance covered. Value of distance covered is 35 meter. Okay, students. Now, from the graph second, we have to find out the value of A, B, B, C, C, D, and D from the graph. A, B, B, C, C, D, and D from the graph. A, B is what? A, B is acceleration, B, C is uniform motion, C, D is acceleration, second acceleration, and third D shows the what? Retardation. We have to find out all values: acceleration, two times acceleration, and one time retardation. And this second part of this question asks distance covered in 2 seconds. Only 2 second distance covered will be area of this A, B. Here you should write any. This right angle triangle area will be the distance covered in 2 seconds. I think this area will be you can find easily. I am going to find out the value of A, B, B, C, C, D, and D. Okay, let's see. From graph second. Graph third. Solution. AB shows the acceleration AB.
Aku bang ya. Hah?
Acceleration AB, see, V minus U by T. V is, here time is not, distance, speed is not written. I am writing 5, 10, 15, and 20 meter per second. So V minus U, V is 10, U is 0, 10 minus 0 by time taken 2 is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5 meter per second square. Acceleration here also meter per second square should be. Okay. And the second part, BC. BC is what? Zero acceleration. You should write BC. This is first part A. B. BC shows uniform motion. Uniform motion. Hence यूनिफॉर्म मोशन में आपको पता है v माइनस यू 0 होता है. Hence acceleration A is equal to 0. And for the C part, CD shows acceleration CD. Acceleration CD. Okay, you can see now. CD acceleration. CD is equal to see this 20 minus 10 upon time taken. How much? 7 minus 5. 20 minus 10 upon 7 minus 5 is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5 meter per second square. Okay. Here also 5 meter, here also 5 meter, both accelerations are equal. And the third one point, fourth one, D. Acceleration, retardation is retardation DE. Retardation D is equal to how much? This D is 0, U is 20 meter per second. 20 meter per second. 0 minus 20 upon time taken 8 minus 7. 0 minus 20 upon 7. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is equal to 20 by 1 is equal to 20 minus 20 meter per second is square. Minus sign shows the retardation. Okay? Minus sign shows the retardation only. Okay? You can see the last point. Okay? See? Minus 20 meter per second. And the last part, that is you have to find the distance covered in 2 seconds. Distance covered in 2 seconds. Distance covered. In 2 seconds. In 2 seconds, distance covered will be area of right angle triangle. That is the area of right angle triangle. Area of RT triangle. Okay, it's equal to 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2, 2 into height 10. 1 by 2, 2 into 10. Base into height. That is the 10 meter. 10 meter distance is there. The final distance from A to B is 10 meter per second. At 10 meter only. Since you can see the graph or not, the below part visible or not. Okay. I think you can see the solution. The distance covered. See, distance covered in 2 seconds. That is the area of this right sided area. Right angle triangle. 1 by 2. This base is 2 into height is 10. 1 by 2 base into height. That is the 10 meter. Okay. Thank you.